Guys, so I bought two Raven from the Trending Tropicals collection at Home Depot. When I got this, it actually said it came from Costa Farms in Marin, Florida. So it was pretty quick. I ordered this not even like 3 days ago. So let's unveil the next box I got. So from experience, it was better to open from the bottom. So I'm gonna use my little scissors, my little pruners, I mean. I'm gonna open the bottom. Look at that. Got a little thank you. Zammiculus nizamifolia. It's telling me how to take care of her. Indoors, highlight, low light, water, low water needs, medium water. Fertilizer once or twice a year. Purifies the air and super easy to grow. So I know it's super easy to grow the regular kind. But what makes this guy different is that he's a Raven. This guy was 30 bucks for 6 inch. Raven meaning he is a black or purple Zammiculus. So we got rid of that first layer. This is a mess. This is a giant mess of plastic. Too much plastic, in my opinion. But I don't know, perhaps they were trying to protect my plants from like damage. So this is what you're going to be getting. It has so much paperwork and wrapping that I'm sure it's in pristine condition. That's how my other one came, and this guy was in a box that was kind of bent. It came like this. I don't know if you can see the box kind of bent. And he came out in perfect condition. So let's see this guy. His box stayed relatively good. So I got this guy. Let's open him up. Alright, pretty disappointing. This guy came out a little bit smaller than that guy, but I guess you can't win all of them. So they put way too much plastic in my opinion. This was probably the only little piece of plastic that was useful, because it was saran wrapped. There we go. And that is our Raven Trending Tropicals border I just made. And this is what I got. So thank you, Costa Farms, or I don't know, I thought I bought this from Home Depot, but thank you. These look amazing. They came in perfect condition. Some of them maybe need to be a little bit bigger, but here we go. Super happy. I bought these. They were on sale. I don't know how much longer they're going to be on sale for, but I got two, and that's what matters. So see y'all.